listening when they're bringing in the bait. Look at snagged up far too. Double-sided territory. There's definitely something big down there that my 90 does not want anything to do with picking up. So, nope, not happening. Bridge rust. And the lovely bridge rust. Or boat rust, who knows. One or the other. It could be both. A mixture. Looks like there's some oil in the water. That's not good. So many spider webs. There's a cable right there. Don't want to get snagged on that. I wonder if that's loose. That doesn't even look like that's connected to anything. There's some trash down here too. Somebody's can. That's not magnetic, I don't think. Is that a pizza? Somebody ordered pizza? Got something. Let's see what we got. What do we got? Just a nail. Ah, no. A shotgun. Oh, and it's unopened. Shotgun shell. That's what I'm talking about. And it's unspent. Yeah. Look at that. Shotgun shell. Does it say anything about it? Express 6. Whatever an Express 6 is. I don't know what an Express 6 is, but that does not look like a regular shotgun shell to me. It's a shotgun shell. I think it's for actual handgun shotgun shell. A nail and a red fishing hook. And just some more rust from the bridge. I'm gonna throw on that spot some more. See if we can get another shotgun shell. I love finding gun related stuff. Yeah. Unspent shotgun shell. What I'm talking about? Oh, that's a little bit too far over. I'm like this area. Give me another shotgun shell. Or shotgun bullet because it's not a shell unless it's been fired. This is my terminology. Shotgun round. There you go. That's more proper. It's not a shell until it's been fired. Just my thinking. I don't know if anybody else thinks the same, but whatever. guys see if you guys are recording still too. Which I think you are. Looks like another nail. I nailed it again. These are from the bridge. This, probably. The walkway, I should say, not the bridge. There was another random chunk of metal on there, too. That wasn't just this rust. I don't know what it was, though. Alright, sorry, I had to take my gloves off. Check you guys, turn you guys off, turn you back on. Split this video up. I'm gonna tell you,